Today I'm going to teach you how to close Typeform to new responses. This is incredibly useful when you've reached your response limit, need to pause data collection, or simply want to stop accepting new submissions while you review existing responses. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, open your browser and navigate to typeform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Typeform account. This will bring you straight to your main dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Now that you're in your dashboard, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to close to new responses. Simply click on the name of that form to open it. If you're working with a brand new form, you can create one here as well. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on closing an existing form. Once you've opened your form, you'll be taken to the form editor. This is where all the magic happens in terms of customization and settings. Look towards the top of your screen and locate the gear icon. This icon represents your form settings and is your gateway to all the configuration options available for your form. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, a settings menu will appear with various options to choose from. From this menu, select Access and Scheduling. This section is specifically designed to control who can access your form and when it's available for responses. It's one of the most important settings when managing form availability. Within the Access and Scheduling section, you'll see a switch labeled Open this form to new responses. This toggle controls whether people can submit new responses to your form. Currently, if your form is accepting responses, this switch will be turned on. To close your form to new responses, simply toggle this switch off. By doing this, anyone who tries to access your form will no longer be able to submit their answers. Finally, make sure you click Save to apply all the changes you've just made. This step is crucial because without saving, your settings won't take effect and your form will continue accepting responses. Once you've saved, your form is officially closed to new responses and you can review your existing data without worrying about new submissions coming in. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Typeform to new responses, giving you full control over when you collect data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.